This is the second part of Topic A on page 153, the weather bar. The weather bar, which is located at the top of the calendar grid, right here, this is your weather bar, displays the weather information for the next 3 days for a selected city. By default, the location that displays in the weather bar will be the city that corresponds to the market version of Outlook that you have installed. So my market manufacturer for this Outlook is Washington, D.C. So that is the default location that will show. Yours will most likely be Washington, D.C. as well. We can change that and add some other locations here. We have a drop-down arrow next to the location. And I have some other locations already added. In the activity, you'll go ahead and add Denver, Colorado, and your hometown as well. But at the bottom here, you have the option to add location. And this field becomes a search field where you can type in wherever you want. So if I wanted to see what it was looking like in Jamaica, I can type that in and hit enter to search. And you can see there's actually a lot of Jamaicas. So we'll go ahead with Jamaica, Cuba and see what the weather looks like there. Well, in Guantanamo, they have a high today of 94 and a low of 71. Looking sunny for the next 3 days. Wish we had that kind of weather here right now. Okay, so you can add an additional 4 locations to your default from that drop down. And you can toggle back and forth between whichever ones that you have set for there. Okay, so maybe you're working with a company that, is out of city for you, out of state, out of the country. And you might want to see what their weather is looking like for a specific event that you might have to set up for them. So there's many different reasons that you might want to have different locations set there. And you're free to do that, again, up to 4 additional locations in addition to that default. Okay, your next video will be Activity 7.2 on page 154.